everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 5th to the 9th of October 2020 on Monday. Jerry and Mdu both try to take the next step in their respective love lives. Thokozani has a controversial guest coming to her Umemulo on Tuesday. Dabula reclaims what rightful his, but Ndwentle was never going to let that go. Samson pays a visit to the Zungus and Sbu confront Melusi and teaches him a lesson on Wednesday. Mbiyake and Mkabai clash over their differing ideals. Sipokazi gives Thokozani and her maidens an important lecture. And Sihle reveals the weaknesses in Dabula's defenses. On Thursday, Mbiyake entrusts Bu with the most important thing to him. Pam gives Mabui some advice on the modern matters of the heart. On Friday, there is a comedy, romance, intrigue, and a danger in the air at Thokozani's Umemulo, but Phumelele is in danger of missing everything. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.